So we're doing a wig video, and this is Braelyn by Sensational What Lace, and this is a stock card. She is super pretty. This is how it looks coming straight out of the box, and we're just going to go ahead and install it. So I'm using the Ruby Kisses cream foundation in level 10, and if you're new here, go ahead and like, comment, and subscribe to my channel. So yeah, we're just going to get this wig fitted onto our head, and surprisingly it fit, because you know some wigs don't fit on your girl head because I got a big head, but this is big head friendly. So yeah, and I didn't really pluck it that much. I just plucked it to a minimum because it was already given hairline. So yeah, I'm just clipping it back, and then I'm cutting out the ear tabs. And then yeah, you guys just go ahead and watch me. I'm gonna come back here and there and just explain whatever I'm doing. Here I'm using the Ebon Wonder Lace Bond in the black can, and we're just going to do 2 layers for each section. So the forehead section, I'm always going to do 2 layers, my bad, and then I'm going to blow dry on warm, and then you just want to blow dry it until it's tacky. So yeah, I did this for all sections, and this is the second layer that I'm doing. Yeah, you just want to make sure it's evenly sprayed on, and then like I said, just blow dry it until it is tacky. Now you just want to lay it down while it's still tacky, and then you want to use the blow dryer on the warm setting, and then just blow dry it. It says on the can to blow dry it cool, but I feel like if you blow dry it on warm, it will stick better and it'll give you that melted look. So yeah, just do that. And then I'm doing the other sections, 2 layers. Remember that, 2 layers. For extra security, I'm going to use the Kenra volume spray, and I'm just going to spray this all over. That way I get some extra secureness. And then I'm going to put my elastic band on real tight to make sure that bit is melted, okay? And then you want to go in with the blow dryer, and then yeah, make sure that mug is dry when you take that elastic band off.
Thinking about what's my problem. I done go alone and get it how I want it. I done be alone to figure out how I should be loved. And if it's just us, is that enough? Is it bad that I want more? Is it too late for us? We both dangerous. Moving so close, we can rest.
go in with your cream contour or cream foundation, or you can go in with your face powder, whatever you want to choose. But I went in with the cream, and you just want to go over the lace just to make it blend a little bit more. I have a little tan, so it do look a little bit light, but this is my exact shade, but it's gonna work. It's gonna work, sis. So yeah, I did my makeup and stuff, and I'm about to do my edges, and not my edges, my baby hairs. But yeah, pull out the hairs to do your baby hairs, and pin the hair back, that way there's no hair in the way. Now I'm taking the black Got To Be gel, and I'm using that to lay down the baby hairs. I was going to use the Got To Be spray, but I was in a time crunch, so I just did the gel. Easy peasy. So yeah. So yeah, I really like this wig. It was definitely giving what I wanted it to give. The color is super cute. It's very grown woman-ish, like you and your grown woman. As y'all see here, I'm using a fan to dry my baby hairs because I didn't feel like going back in with that blow dryer. But it did the job to get them dry. But yeah, I really like how this came out. The hair, I want to say, is like 24, maybe 26 inches. Yeah, I don't know what else to say about this wig, but it's really cute. It was easy to put on. The hairline really gave real deal hairline, like it could have been my hair coming out of my scalp. But yeah, I'm just finishing my baby hairs and just moving all the extra hairs out of the way and cutting if I need to. But this is the finished look. I really love this color. It's super cute. It's like a chocolate and goes to different blondes. And I was just showing you guys the different colors of blonde a brown, but it was definitely given, okay, period. So yeah, it didn't really shed that much, and I don't get a lot of snags when I'm brushing, but if y'all get this unit, let me know, and I'll see y'all in the next one.